Hi everyone, Sherry here. I'm going to be doing an unboxing today. I'll be doing the unboxing of the CRIMPiT Wrap Sealer. I've seen these on social media, the commercials for that, and I've been wanting to check this out for a long time. Now you can get these individually. This is the large CRIMPiT. You can also buy the small wrap sealer for smaller sandwiches, and you can get the bread sealer. I bought a bundle pack of all three on Amazon, and I'll leave the link down below. So I'll go over each one. They're going to be fairly similar. Now this is the large CRIMPiT wrap sealer. It can make burritos, calzones, enchiladas, kebabs, pastries, and more. What this sealer does is you take your tortilla shell, fill it, put it in there, and it will seal it, and then you can cook it. It's like a sealed sandwich. So let's see what it looks like. We have a very short manual. Talks about their mission, it gives the instructions on how to do it, and it gives 3 recipes. It does tell about that it's microwavable safe. You can cook the wrap and the CRIMPiT in the microwave for 20 seconds to soften up the tortilla shell so you can crimp it. It is plastic, so you can't have anything too hot. I would actually probably not do that. It is dishwasher safe. It gives their social medias, which is Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. It gives a couple of reviews here. I think what I'm going to do with this is make a pizza CRIMPiT. So here is the CRIMPiT. All right, so this says, this comes in the little device. This says that it is a caution, but it does say the best way to fix it is to lay your tortilla shell in this, fill this side with your ingredients, and then microwave the whole unit for 20 seconds. Then remove from the microwave and press down the lid and seal the wrap. You can also just wet the inside edges of your tortilla to get it to seal better. If you put it in the microwave or if you use your wet finger to seal it, either way it should work. After you crimp it, you take it out and double check and make sure that all the edges are sealed. If they are not, put them back in there and crimp it again because you don't want your fillings to fall out. Okay, like I said, this is a very simple manual. Then you can put it in your air fryer for 4 minutes. I would suggest putting a spritz of oil on there to get it brown. They have the recipes, they give you what you put in there, and it gives the times for whichever way you're going to cook it. They don't tell you anything about putting a spritz of oil, but I do know with air fryers they do get browner if you put a little bit of oil on the top. Anyway, it says 4 minutes for the air fryer, 6 minutes for if you cook it in a pan, and 6 minutes if you cook it in the oven. Again, they're not giving temperature for the air fryer, the temperature of the burner, or the temperature of the oven. That you'll probably have to kind of figure out on your own. So this is the large one, and since it said it made burritos, I bought the burrito size tortilla. I'm not sure if it's going to be too big or not. It looks like it's going to be about right. A little bit over, but, and this is the one I'm going to be making, the pizza CRIMPiT. I think it'll be really fun to do on that. Next we have the mini one, and I'm sure it's going to be the same, just smaller. It also has a very short manual, exactly the same information inside, exactly the same recipes. And again, they aren't giving the temperatures of the air fryer, your pan temperature, or your oven. This one can make your tacos, light snacks, kids' lunches or pastries. This one is smaller than I thought. This one probably would take almost the 6-inch size. The one I bought, I think, is a 10-inch. It's way too big. This one might actually be better. That one might fit okay, but I think I'm going to do the larger one just because you need it to the edges to crimp. I'm not sure what size I'm going to use for this one. This one's a lot smaller than I thought it was. I think street size would be too small, but maybe the size up from that. These would make nice sized tacos for kids, or a calzone for a kid, or, you know, kids are messy with tacos. Huh? I am too. That's the small one. So the last one, this one's a little bit different. This is a sandwich bread sealer. It makes your sandwiches sealed so you can toast them without the stuff falling out. You use the bread slices instead of the tortilla shells for this one. Not sure what this is yet. I will look in the instructions, but your CRIMPiT is here. Let's see how we use it. Very short manual. Same thing, their mission, their caution. This does have different recipes. It's got a peanut butter banana strawberry jam, a turkey club, and a peanut butter moon pie. You put your piece of bread in that you've got to cut to size. Then you fill it, but only fill in the center, not clear to the edges. Put another piece of bread on top of that, and then put that down and squeeze. You can't go clear to the edges with your filling because you're going to be crimping it. Take it out, make sure that you're crimped all the way around so the filling stays inside. If it's not crimped good enough, put it back in and crimp it again. After you make your CRIMPiT sandwich, you can broil it, you can fry it, you can air fry it, or you can toast it. If you're going to toast it, that's what this is for. You put your little sandwich in there, put that down in there, and toast it. If you're going to toast it, you toast it for 3 minutes. I don't know how you do that. You usually put your toaster in till it pops up, so I'm not sure how that works. 4 minutes for the air fry and 3 minutes in the oven. They give the times, but they don't give the temperatures. I didn't buy any bread today. I'm not planning on making this one right away. I'm not making any of these today. If you want to see how they turn out, see if I make it without screwing up, or see if I do have screw up, subscribe and hit the bell so you'll get notifications when I do that. I plan on doing it in the next few days. Like I said, I will be using this one first. I'll be doing a pizza CRIMPiT sandwich. I will be doing it in the air fryer, so check that out when it comes out. I'm excited to use this. Again, the link is down in the description box below. You can buy them individually or you can buy them as a bundle. This is Sherry from Cooking with Sherry. I'll see you then. Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.